been around the world, but haven't found someone who rocks my world. Till the day I met you, my sweet sexy girl. Up in the club dancing with your homegirls, moving that body like you own the world. Looking so fine, so fine. Couldn't have the time to introduce myself and make you mine. Give you highest climax that you had in your life. Keep the drinks rolling, cause it's on me tonight. I'm a hustler, so I stay on the grind. Bottles of Cristal or Patron on ice. Back to my place with the Bentley outside. Hope I don't catch a case of the DUI while I'm switching 4 lanes, drunk as hell tonight.
Been all around the world and I never seen a girl so fine. You shine like a diamond, perfect in every way. Look into my eyes. Been all around the world and I never seen a girl so fine. So can you tell me, girl, what can I do to make you mine? Just for a chance to be with you, there is nothing that I would not do. I can only see me with you. Yeah, baby girl, this is true.
Cause you're the type I wanna call day and night. Kiss you through the phone and tell you I miss you, alright. No stress, no drama like the fools in your life. Just double hugs and kisses make you warm inside. I think I found the one I'll call my wife. Big hips, nice eyes, yeah, that's my type. High class shopping girl, with day old drive. No limit to the spending, buy whatever you like. Cruises over 7 seas on private jet flights. House on the hills, what a beautiful sight. As I work that body with the lights on bright. On cancer position so you scream all night, all night.
Cause I don't want anyone else but you. Yeah, baby girl, that is true. For that body